And you screwed up big time. Go home. Completely disappeared on me. You wouldn't even answer your cell phone.
You're going to want to sit down for this. I have made a decision.
Oh.
Being happy and being in love with you makes me a crappy doctor.
Shut up. You're too drunk to end this relationship.
I am drunk. And I'm also right. You have made me a worse doctor. And people are going to die because of that. And you are totally worth it.
Kaylee, bye. Bye-bye.